welcome back to the World is Travel channel. I'm back to one of my favorite cities in the world, Barcelona, and I couldn't be happier. And I have a special mission today to show my mom Barcelona in just one day. Do you think I'll manage this? Let's see.
Actually, there were three of us: my mom, my cousin's wife, and me. It was their first flight, so they were a bit anxious. But the flight went smoothly and we finally landed in Barcelona. I bought the TTA transportation cards for all of us, and it's a perfect option for those who have only 24 hours in the city. According to my initial itinerary, we were supposed to visit 16 places during the day. Little did I know! Guess how many places we managed to visit? Oh yeah, La Rambla is less crowded in February than in September. So it's so nice to be back after 3.5 years. And I must say I'm never bored of Barcelona. I'm always happy to come here again. So each time I open something new for myself. I made this video as a vlog about our day in Barcelona, not a travel guide. If you're interested in a detailed guide for 3-5 days in Barcelona, you can check 4 of my previous videos from 2021. Since it's my third time in Barcelona, I chose my favorite places in the city. One of them is the Gothic Quarter. I told ladies the legend about the skull with a dagger inside the Bishop's Bridge. So we got cursed after finding the skull and then got cured after touching the magic turtle. My mom found it pretty entertaining and funny. Unfortunately, we didn't have much time to go inside the cathedral, but I have a video devoted to the Gothic Quarter in my Spain playlist, so you're welcome to check it out. There is one place I didn't see during my previous 2 visits, and I wanted to go there really bad. Can you believe this mural is made of the photos? Unbelievable! Seems like my mom loves every minute of it, doesn't she? It's impossible to imagine a trip to Barcelona without La Sagrada Familia. Again, we didn't have much time to go inside, but I have an episode about Gaudí masterpieces and La Sagrada Familia inside. Here's my personal recommendation to those who are going to Barcelona soon. The terrace at Cercatel Roussillon Hotel. The view is magnificent. You have to reserve the time slot on their website, as there is almost no chance to be accepted without reservation, unless you are staying at a hotel. I must say, we enjoyed every minute of those 40 minutes we had, tasting sangria and admiring the view. The next stop, Park Güell. I had so many flashbacks from 2021 walking around the park. I even chose the same music as previously. As far as I remember, Gaudí planned to create a residential area for the richest people of Barcelona, but the marketing efforts failed. However, Gaudí himself lived here with his father in Nice, in this house. The price is still €10, and booking the ticket online is recommended to avoid the crowds.
We are so lucky to have such a sunny weather in Barcelona in the end of February. Wow, I'm just so happy to be here. Yeah, that's all I can say right now.
Unfortunately, we didn't manage to visit some of the places on our list. So if you have more than one day, make sure to visit Casa Batlló, Casa Mila, Arc de Triomphe, and Parc de la Ciutadella. But we still made it to the Barceloneta beach.
Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena.
To conclude, I'll say this. There is never too much time in Barcelona. This city made me fall in love with it immediately. So, till next time, my beautiful Barcelona. See you soon.
Que brinda la vida y que no te vi, mami.